Back on. We're back on. Ace is sizing up. If Ace gets this, I'm putting it straight on YouTube with or without it. It doesn't matter because this is amazing. He's fucking running from the end of the block. The man's getting a running start from the end of the... If you get a rolling start and jump this, oh my God, I think I might just drop an extra dub on there. This shit is done, bro.
I ain't used my legs in about 6 months, bro.
Ace, listen, I'm letting you know now. There's a possibility that you might get hurt doing this, and you have to go to work later, and everybody at work is going to see this. When you see the ball running out the chute, you know it's time. He's contemplating. The contract is signed, ladies and gentlemen. Ace could walk away now and still leave defeated. He's sizing his prey. Ladies and gentlemen, just know there is a poor animal live in the cage. He's moving the cage while the animal is still in the cage. For the love of God, Ace, please make this jump. Dog, Ace, if you fall, if you fucking fall. Whoa. Yep. We're waiting. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. Oh! Hey, hey, if you do anything like that, boy, this money good. I'm letting you know that. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh yeah. Oh no, he's pump fake. He's pump fake. Oh yeah, D-boy is gonna fucking love this. One time for Cheeks and Jit and D-boy and fucking Jeff. We're live in Hollywood. I'm recording this for y'all boys. Look at him, look at him. D-boy, look at his ass. Little fool. Oh yeah, he's put. Oh yeah. He's even jumping over the dog's toy. Oh my God. 345 pounds, ladies and gentlemen. We're going on approximately 3 minutes, 10 seconds. Ace is still not left the hole. Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Oh yeah!
Let me get him back there.
Oh my God!
I didn't get that.